In an increasingly digital world, the understanding of operational technology, OT, and information technology, IT, has become paramount. OT involves managing physical devices and processes through hardware and software. It includes systems like SCADA and industrial robots. IT, conversely, is in charge of computer systems, networks, and data business software. Also encompasses cybersecurity tools. Essentially, OT looks after the physical, while digital aspects are IT's domain. Despite their uniqueness, OT and information technology are vital, interconnected fields in today's technological landscape. Despite their distinct definitions, OT and information technology share commonalities and diverge in certain aspects. The convergence of these fields is catalyzed by shared networks driven by IoT. Both OT and IT rely on data but have different usages. OT harnesses real-time data from devices while IT manages data. OT concentrates on physical processes while IT caters to digital information. OT is vital for industry, whereas information technology is prevalent in business and healthcare. With different operational timings, OT operates in real time while IT handles both real-time and delayed tasks. In essence, OT and information technology, while serving different purposes, operate within different contexts, yet their convergence is an inevitable result of digital transformation. As industries continue to embrace digital transformation, the integration of operational technology and information technology is becoming increasingly important. This rise of interconnected systems has brought OT and IT together. They now work in unison, creating a unique tech ecosystem. OT controls physical tasks, whereas IT manages digital data. Amid digital transformation, they converge, fueling innovation and advancement. In essence, understanding OT and IT, their overlap and their distinctions, is key to maneuvering through the rapidly changing digital terrain. In the end, a deep understanding of both OT and information technology, their similarities, differences, and their convergence is essential to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape.